Alright, guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also, so please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're at Armanii with pounds. So that one I full up in the comment section. Since it dropped till now. So, alright, let's go. Let's see why it's so popular in the comment section. Let's see why. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Everybody go crazy.
Cute baby, shake for me, brace for me, let go
Jovi, big up.
for me. Yeah, me love you when you're near to me. Go on, make your pussy cry tears for me. Don't shy, pour me a brain for me. Back it up, pass, tears for me. Round, no chasing it. Just make your body shake, run and run and run and run and run and run and run. Shake up, one sweat out the makeup. Your pussy way more burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn. Shake up, one sweat out the makeup.
Well, on man. Hey, them song you sang where you fuck your lad and breed y'all doing that. Them song you sang where you fuck your lad and breed y'all too. Yeah, I said it. Moms look good. Yeah, darling, I feel they look nice. Yeah, man, she look hot, man. Yeah, man.
Everybody go crazy.
Woman round, man, for real. You round like I want English pound. Let's go.
Cute baby, shake for me. Brace for
Shake.
me. Let go all fear for me.
Mama
Yeah, me
cute
love you
too.
when you're near to me. Go on, make your pussy cry tears for me.
Make your
Don't
pussy
shy.
cry. When him say make your pussy cry tears for me, it means make you get wet for him. That's what it mean. Make your skin get wet. Yeah.
Yeah, me love you when you're near to me. Go on, make your pussy cry tears for me. Don't shy, pour me a brain for me. Back it up, pass, tears for me. Round, no chasing it. Just make your body shake, run and run and run and run and run and run and run. Shake up, one sweat out the makeup. Your pussy way more burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn. Shake up,
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
I don't need to say much in this video. I just need to just watch what's happening. And imagine that I'm next to that girl. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
cute baby, shake for me. Brace for me. Let go all fear for me. Yeah, me love you when you're near to me. Go on, make your pussy cry tears for me. Don't shy, pour me a brain for me. Back it up, pass, tears for me. Round, no chasing it. Just make your body shake, run and run and run and run and run and run and run. Shake up, one sweat out the makeup. Your pussy way more burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn. Shake up,
Pussy enough, mama. Pussy be a pound.
Tell me when you're ready for this. When you're ready. No, I'm in the day of age. No age. Deep joint, you should there for lick. Tell Harry and Tom, you should there for dick.
Deep throat, you should ready for it. Tell Harry and Tom so she there for Tom, Dick and Harry. Tell Harry and Tom so she there for Dick.
Tell me when you're ready for this. When you're ready. No, I'm in the day of age. No age. Deep joint, you should there for lick. Tell Harry and Tom, you should there for dick. One out, make hell of a split. Your best friend just there for lick. Shut the amigo, then off a chip. Don't hesitate, make your body shake. Bounce for me, go, move it. Body beat, she calm, she go with it. Flow in it, don't timid. go, give me. Whole tight and the killer won't try that. She a shout and I go on no vice box. Dilly dally, she a go and watch pilot. Say she want
Yeah,
feel
them bad on the
like,
video.
so why not? Go slow for me, make no mistake, touch pro for me. Bobby, turn pro with me. And the pro box body that the punch, baby, bodies are biddies on them.
And a pro box body have woman. Left that to some girl, and I know you're thinking that. Your body a push. Some of them girls have pro box body, ladder body, deporty body. No, mama, your body a push. That is what Armanii is saying, not me.
Go slow for me, make no mistake, touch pro for me. Bobby, turn pro with me. And the pro box body that the punch, baby, bodies are biddies on them, I come my way. Say she ready for give me, and me say run my way. Sweat up your body like you are run one.
Flow change. Yeah, man.
Flow
change now.
And the pro box body that the punch, baby, bodies are biddies on them, I come my way. Say she ready for give me, and me say run my way. Sweat up your body like you are run one race. Yeah, man, that's such a boy. Make your body shake, run and run and run and run and run and run and run. Man, shake up.
Shake up.
She wants to turn to makeup.
Yeah.
Your pussy way more burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn and burn. Man, shake up. She wants to turn to makeup. Make your body shake, run and
Shake up. Now or never, pick up yourself. Yeah, man, rope them. Video quality up as always. Moms, them up in that video as always.
Shopify's point of sale.
Yeah, man, video quality up as always. Moms, them up in that video as always, looking good. Armanii, pick up yourself, bro. Another one. Pick up all years, out there when say them see we are more than a pound or a pound. You see me? And a quarter pound or a piece of pound this. This is enough pound. This is a pound. Yeah, big up the girl with the pound pum pum. Big up on the side. The people in the comment section with that type and I say you react to this. Una pervert. Yes, una pervert. Blood clot pervert to be. That's all I don't want to see. Half naked girl. Pervert. Yeah. Me like it though. Me like it. Me like it the fuck. Me like it. Yeah. Me like it. Now I see why you guys are saying react to it. React. I thought something drastic happened in there. I'm like, what the hell am I expecting now? But moms look good. Yeah, the daddy look good, especially one when I marry and thing, and the Jamaican color marry. She look good. Yeah, she look skin clean like Jesus Police record. Yeah. That is what. This is where I'm going to do when I still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new, man. And I'll see you in the next time. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap corner.